Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi, I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. I'll wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. Hey, welcome to November. So I'm just real briefly gonna talk about what kinds of things you can expect to see on the channel this November. If that interests you, keep watching. If not, I'll see you later. So the kinds of things that are gonna happen on this channel are obviously holiday content, like advent calendars, gift or garbage. I've got 6 of them. Yeah, so we're gonna start doing gift or garbage. That's probably gonna be on a certain day of the week. I haven't decided which one yet, but I'll figure it out as I go. So I've got 6 advent calendars to show you. Are they worth the money, or do they belong in the trash or donated or whatever? I'm very excited for gift or garbage. I'm working on a new intro, so hopefully it's a little more entertaining. I think gift or garbage is good. Y'all like to see gift or garbage. You want to know if these advent calendars are worth it or not. And even if you didn't buy them this year, they're very similar to the ones that you'll get in the coming years. So, you can still compare and contrast pretty easily. In fact, you can even watch last year's and see if you're interested in this year's right now. Especially if you don't want to be spoiled with what's in this year's, Also, I'm going to have gift content. Yay! Yes, I'm going to have gift guides, short ones, not the long 1-hour ones you see people do. Love those. Super thorough. That's great. But who has time for that? No, I'm talking top 10, top 5. Let's keep it short. Let's keep it sweet. And let's keep it categorized. So I've got ideas for Spoonies specifically, crafters specifically, broad categories. I've got gift guides, but I've also got ideas for things you can make. Obviously, we made the tea card last year. I have another idea for this year that I think will be super easy and super fun. I'm also going to have things you can make yourself. Super easy DIYs. Gifts they actually want. I have some other things planned as well, so, tune in for the gifting stuff, the holiday stuff, and of course, Wicked. Yep, Wicked for Good, also known as Wicked Part 2, comes out November 21st, 2025. I plan to be there that day. I don't want anyone to spoil it for me. I plan to go premiere night, just like I did for Part 1. And hopefully I get to go with my Glinda again. Yes, she is the Glinda to my Elphaba. I love her so much. And hopefully I get to go with her again. I'm hoping I can also make corgis for us to take pictures with again, because that was so fun and so cute. And y'all really liked those pictures. So, they kind of acted like flat Stanleys for us. But I'm trying to think of who I would make. I don't want to make Elphaba and Glinda again. So I have to decide which ones I make now. Which corgi-Aussians do I make now? I don't know. I'll have to see. So yes, there is a Wicked content this November. I'm gonna try really hard to do the Wicked content specifically on Wednesdays, so I can keep up with Wicked Wednesdays, just like they do on Instagram. So I'm gonna try and do that. That doesn't mean there's gonna be a video every Wednesday. No. I'm just saying, if you're looking for a Wicked video, I'm gonna try to do it on a Wednesday. That's all I'm saying. I pre-ordered the official Wicked Woobles set. I don't know when it'll be here. And I don't know how long I can wait. So when I unbox it, it could be a Saturday. I don't know. But again, I'll try really hard to put it on a Wednesday, but we'll see. Yeah, so they did come out with an official one. It is true. They haven't, at this time that I'm recording this video, they haven't officially released it to the public, though I'm suspicious that since the Grinch set just came out randomly on a Saturday, I'm guessing it's because their Wednesday releases, they have too many releases to do on Wednesdays, and I'm thinking the next one's Wicked. I am predicting that November 5th, 2025 will be when they release the Wicked set on the Woobles site. Let's see if I'm right. However, I got a special code and I was allowed to order early. No, it's not a scam. Everything was official. I got the official Woobles email and everything, so I know that it's true. But they weren't shipping out until November, so. That's another reason why I really want them to be released to the public, because then they'll ship mine. However, I predicted that the Woobles would make a Wicked set, did I not? Back in, what, February? I made that video. You can see it. There's a date stamp and everything, so you know when I predicted it. But actually, I predicted it in another video in 2024. Do you know what that video is? If you do, let me know down below. But since they didn't have an official one, I decided to make my own. I made more Foobles. Y'all wanted Foobles to become a series. You didn't say how frequent the series had to be. So I made another Foobles. If you don't know, Foobles is what I call my fake Woobles. That's where I take the Wooble patterns. It's their patterns, but I make them look like something else. I tweak them in just the right way to make them something else. So I am taking the troll pattern currently and turning it into Elphaba. It's working. I'm really proud. And I also want to do Glinda. I think I'll use Barbie. I made a video already all about all my plans and everything if you want to see that down below. And I'm working on 2 videos that hopefully will come out before the movie. Hopefully they come out before the movie. We'll see. Just as long as they come out in November, I'll be happy. And then of course, when I get my official kit, I will review that and I will do compare contrast. Who did it better? Which set do you like better? My set or theirs? I think it'll be fun. And it's all in fun. I'm not trying to step on anyone's toes here. It's all in fun. So that's the kind of Wicked content you should expect. I just want to put this out there. There might be a little bit of Zootopia content because I am really excited for Zootopia 2 as well. Okay, that's all. So that's the content I plan for my channel in November. Thank you so much for being here today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.